You'll be surprised, this polite habit started either to protect souls from the devil, or as a prayer during the deadly Black Plague. When someone sneezes, the polite thing to say is "bless you." But where did this custom originate in the first place? There are two possible explanations. The first is that people used to believe sneezing expelled your soul out of your body, so saying "bless you" was meant to protect your exposed soul from the devil. The second possible explanation comes from the time of the Black Plague. Sneezing was seen as a sign of sickness, and saying "bless you" was a way of offering a prayer for someone before they died. Today, it's simply considered polite.